Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Just wait for 1 minute, then we will start. Good evening, Saiti.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, very good evening. So now can we start? I think almost everyone has joined.
Yes, sir.
So I want everyone to be active during the classes. How many of you promise to be active during the classes?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes,
So
sir.
will you be okay? So all of you will be active during the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So remain active during the class. And what I am going to do, you will also do the same thing. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's the thing that you will be doing?
Sir,
What will you do, all of you?
be active in the class.
Yeah, be active in the class and turn on the
Yes.
camera. Keep your camera on so that I know where are you, what you are doing. Okay. You are free in the class to eat, drink, but concentrate. Okay, don't eat too much. Just if you require some snacks, you can have. If you want to drink water, you can. Okay. But let your camera be on. Be present over there. So in the last class, we had started uh with the Pearson book, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, we had started with the Pearson book,
Yes, sir.
and which topic we were doing from there?
Sir, I think we were doing the first chapter, sir. We started with the first bit.
Okay.
We started
So
with fundamental units also.
yeah, we started with fundamental units. Very good. So
Yeah, and we were
okay,
talking about all the SI units, sir.
yes. So how many fundamental quantities are there?
7, sir. 7.
There are 7
7, sir.
fundamental quantities. So can you name some of them?
Sir,
Sir, wait.
Uh,
The temperature.
yeah, temperature. Very good.
Mass.
charge. Sir, charge.
No, not charge. Charge is not a fundamental quantity.
Heat, sir. Heat.
No, heat is also not a fundamental.
The length.
Length. Weight.
Length.
Sir, mole.
Yeah, you have length.
Mass.
The time.
Sir, energy.
Time.
No, not energy.
Sir,
Time.
mass. Sir, the amount of substance is called mole, sir. This is also fundamental unit.
Yeah,
Mass.
amount of substance, mass. Very good.
The current.
Current. Very good. Okay, I think only one is left. Let me see if anyone
Time.
can recall.
Energy.
Time, sir.
No, time is left and one more. Apart from time, there is one more. Luminous intensity, that is brightness of light. Okay. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. Very nice to see that all of you remember the fundamental quantities. So whatever quantities are to be measured, we may try to measure them in SI system of units. In the SI system of units, what is the SI for length?
Meter, sir.
Meter.
Yes, meter. For mass,
Kilograms.
kilogram. Very good. For time,
Seconds.
Seconds.
okay, very good. So for time, we have second. Then,
Good evening, sir.
yeah, good evening.
Kilojoule. So what is kilojoule for, sir?
Kilojoule. it's kilojoule. It is the SI unit of it is the unit of energy. Like
Okay,
joule is the SI unit of energy. Kilojoule means 1,000 times of joule will be called as a kilojoule.
okay, sir.
Just like you have 1,000 times of meter, 1,000 meter is called as kilometer. So in the same way, 1,000 joule is also called as kilojoule. 1,000 liter,
Sir.
1,000 liter will be called as a kiloliter.
Sir, will intensity of light come under fundamental quantities?
Which one?
Intensity of light.
Intensity. It is the intensity of light and it is a fundamental quantity. Intensity means brightness. Is the fundamental quantity which is measured in the SI unit of candela. Then we had discussed about the derived quantities. So derived quantities are the quantities which are derived from the fundamental quantities. For example,
Sir, like density, sir.
yeah, like density, like area, like
Volume.
pressure, force. So all these are your derived quantities. Okay. Fundamental units and derived units we have seen. System of units. So different system of units are used. For example, you have FPS system. FPS stands for F means foot, P means pound, and S for second. So when you are measuring your
Sir,
mass, yes,
there's
Sir,
also KCF system, sir. KCF, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit.
so that is KCS is only for temperature.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the FPS system, we have F in foot in which we measure in the length. Length is measured in foot. Mass will be measured in pound. And
So,
F
feet,
measured in,
pound, and second, sir.
yeah, it's feet, pound, and second. So
Out
like,
of our syllabus, right, sir?
yeah, we are going a little bit ahead of that.
Okay, sir. Sir, but
Okay.
we will even continue the NCRT also, right, sir?
Yeah, NCRT we have already done. 2 chapters we have done.
So, even other chemistry and physics chapters also will be doing it, sir.
Yeah, we'll be doing next week. So in between, we'll be doing these parts and then again.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it?
This is like, sir, this is IIT. This is also interesting, no, sir?
Yeah, you will be getting something extra.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So FPS is feet pound system, feet pound second, where pound, I think if you see WWE over there, they say the mass of these players are generally given in pounds. Right? So in the American system, they generally measure the mass of a substance in pound and time in second. The next is a CGS system. When you start measuring your length in centimeter, mass in gram, and time in second. So we call this system of measurement as CGS system, centimeter, gram, second. MKS system means meter, kilogram, and second. So when you are measuring your length in meter, mass in kilogram, and time in second, that is MKS system. Then we have the SI system. Okay. So SI system, it is the extended version of the MKS system. In MKS system, we were discussing only of the 3 quantities, where in the SI system, we discuss about the 7 fundamental quantities. So SI system of units is an extended version of the MKS system only. Got it? Understood, everyone? So SI system is the system which is followed worldwide. It is accepted by the scientific.
At least for the scientists, right, sir?
Yeah, all the scientists, they accept the SI system. SI means International System of Units. It's obtained from a French word, Système International des Unités. It's a French word. So from there we obtain SI, International System des Unités. Okay. So as of today, SI system is the prevalent. So see, all this we had discussed. Length measured in In CGS, it will be measured in centimeter. If you look for SI, so length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time in second, amount of substance in mole, intensity of light in candela, and you have two more, that is strength of electric current, that is ampere, and temperature is measured in Kelvin. Got it? Okay, so this much I think everyone has understood and everyone told. And here are some definitions which we do not need. Measurement of length. See, how do we measure a length? Uh, See, correct way of measuring any length. This we call using the least count method. Use the least count. So for example, if you see your scale, here you can see a picture of your scale. Okay. So in your picture of your scale, can you tell me what will the smallest division measure? How much can the smallest division measure? Can anyone tell me on your measuring?
Millimeters. Sir, centimeters and millimeters.
So what
Sir,
is the
millimeters.
smallest?
Millimeters.
1 millimeter, right? Your smallest measurement is 1 millimeter.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are making the measurement, your measurement will be accurate only up to 1 millimeter, right? Suppose you can't write. Suppose if you have, let me draw a line and tell you what we are talking of here. Okay, see. So is the scale readable to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the length marked by this scale?
5.
No,
No,
4.8.
4.8. 8.
Okay. The length here is 4.8 centimeter. Now, if I just zoom a little bit for this, just let me see if I can zoom. Okay, now is it visible to you clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4.8 perfectly.
Okay, just 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so it is 4.8. Yes. Can you see that it is going a little? Yeah. Can you see it is going a little bit away from 4.8, a small amount
Yes, sir.
ahead of?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's a mind like little
Yeah,
minor point.
it's going by a minor point ahead. So you will never write the
Point
measurement like,
zero five eight, sir.
yeah, you will never write it as 4.85, or you will not write it as 4.82. You can't write it. The maximum you can
Only
write is
4.25 like that.
only
48.5 centimeters.
only 4.8 centimeter can be written, as the scale does not have an accuracy beyond that.
Yes,
The
sir.
accuracy of the scale is only up to this point. Got it? Beyond this, there is no accuracy.
So, sir,
Got it?
4 point is only the approximate centimeters there.
Yeah. So least count means the minimum measurement that my scale can make, and I will not show an accuracy of greater than that. Got it? So this is the use of least count. So now I think it's okay again. Okay, so this was what I was trying to explain. The next one is Okay, so in this one, can you tell me what is the length of this brick? The first one
1 centimeter, sir.
and the second one.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter,
3
sir.
centimeters, sir.
Okay, here can you tell me who said 3 centimeter? It's 1 centimeter only. 3 minus 2. That is the length of this brick. Okay, so it's just 1 centimeter. Can you tell the diameter of this circle?
9 millimeters, sir.
Sir, 11. Sorry, sir. 12 meters. 12 centimeters.
No.
Sir, 9 millimeters, sir.
Okay, do you want me to zoom up a little bit?
Sir, it's 8
sir.
only, sir.
Okay.
Of only a circle, right, sir?
Yeah, of the circle. I want you to measure the diameter of the circle.
8 centimeters, sir.
Sir, 10, sir. 9, sir.
Sir,
9,
10, sir.
10 centimeters, sir. Sir, 9 millimeters, sir.
9 millimeters. 9.
Sir, 10
Okay.
millimeters.
Sir, 10
Okay,
millimeters.
let's see how we'll measure this. We'll start from here. We'll read this. Okay, what is the measurement of this y? Does the y indicate 1.7?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what does point x represent?
So 0.
0.8.
0.8.
Measurement will be 1.7 minus 0.8.
Sir, it is
0.9.
0.9, sir.
Yeah, it's 0.9 centimeter or 9 millimeter.
Millimeters.
Your answer is 9 millimeter. Got it? Okay, one more thing. Conversion of units. Whenever we require to convert the units from one system to the other, then also we are somewhere confused. For example, you require to convert suppose you are required to convert kilogram to gram, okay, or meter square to centimeter square. So how can we convert? If we have 1 meter square, so 1 meter square should be equal to how many centimeter squares? Yes. Can
So-
anyone tell me?
Sir, 10,000.
10,000.
100, sir.
Sir, 1 by 10,000 of meters square.
Sir,
1 by
10,000,
100?
sir.
So 1 by 10,000.
Just 10,000. Just go step by step. It is 1 meter square. So here I convert 1 meter to centimeter. I write it as 100 centimeter. And then I put a square of this. So square of 1 meter is equal to
10,000.
10,000.
square of 100 will be 10,000. So you get 10,000 centimeter square. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt. It's not from this chapter, but from force and pressure.
Okay.
So what is the instrument used to measure pressure and atmospheric pressure?
Sir,
Okay.
I know, sir.
Instrument used to measure pressure is barometer.
Sir, atmospheric
Okay, sir.
pressure. Barometer.
Now see the other conversion, another conversion. Suppose I want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Yes, Lasya, what happened?
So for atmospheric pressure and the normal pressure we use
Okay, see,
gallonmeter. So
there are two devices. You have manometer and barometer. Okay. So manometer is used for measuring the pressure of any gas, whereas barometer is generally used for measuring the atmospheric pressure.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So it
so
is actually like manometer or pressure gauge.
yeah, manometer is the pressure gauge and barometer is the atmospheric pressure measuring instrument.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see, I want to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So can you help me to convert out? Will you try out to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second?
Sir, it will be 1000 meters by
Mhm.
3600 seconds.
Very good. Whose answer is this?
Sir, Nainika, sir.
Half
Okay.
Pranav, sir.
Very good. So kilometer per hour can be converted to meter per second by multiplying of 1000 and dividing by 3600. And if you simplify this, you get 10 over 36. And 10 over 36 still simplified to give 5 over 18.
Yes, sir.
So this is a new thing for you. If you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have a factor of 5 over 18. So can I, okay, let's try one question with this method. Try out a question with this method. You have to convert 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So can you convert 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second?
Sir, it's 72,000 and over 306
So
3,600.
20 meters per second.
Yes.
Sir,
You
20
can,
minutes.
Sir, 20 meters per
you
second.
can
Sir,
just
22 into
Sir,
okay.
72 multiplied by 5 by 18.
Sir, 20 meters per
Yeah,
second, sir.
72 multiplied by 5 by 18. So you have
Sir,
18.
20 kilometers, sir. Sir, 20 miles per hour.
Yeah, it's 20 meter per second.
Sir, so actually when we are converting meters per second to kilometers per hour, we use 18 by 5, right? We multiply 18 by 5.
Yes, if you are converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will be using 18 by 5. And when you are converting from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will be getting 20 meter per second. Okay, let's try to do this one also. Another similar one. I have 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And I want to find it in gram per centimeter cube. Let me see if anyone can do this. Try doing this. You have 1000 kilogram per meter cube and convert it to gram per centimeter cube.
So 1 gram per centimeter cube.
Okay, Gagana is answering.
1 gram.
Yes, sir, Gagana is correct. I think it's 1 gram only because 1
Yes,
meter
sir.
cube is equal to 10,000 centimeters cube. So 1000 centimeters cube.
Yes, sir.
Gagana, you are very correct. All of you pay attention. So you will have write it 1000. Convert this kilogram to gram. That will be again 1000 and divide this by 1 meter cube converted to centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and we'll make cube of it. So this will be equal to, in the numerator, you have 10 to the power 6 divided by denominator, which again you have 10 to the power 6. You'll get 6 zeros in the denominator and this makes it 1 gram per centimeter cube.
Yes, sir.
So now I think you people can convert from one unit to the other unit. You have got to convert, you can convert.
Another problem.
Okay, I'm giving you one for your homework. You can try it out for homework and then find out. Okay. So this is a very high level question. You can try it out at your home. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second. Okay. And you have to convert it to the CGS system, which we call gram centimeter per second. This is also equivalent to dyne. We call it as dyne. Okay. So you basically have to find out that 1 Newton is equal to how many dyne. This question is your homework. Okay. Just note down this question. Try out this question after the class.
1 kg.
Yes, how much?
Sir, 1 what the question? 1 kg?
See,
1
1 Newton, 1 Newton is represented as 1 kilogram meter per second. Right? This is the formula of 1 Newton. So 1 Newton can also be considered as 1 kilogram meter per second.
Represented
Yeah, meter per second square. And you have to convert this to the CGS system. That is gram centimeter per second square.
So I didn't got, sir. The question, could you repeat once again, sir?
Yeah, it's here only. You have to convert kilogram
Oh,
meter per
that's
second square to gram centimeter per second square.
Okay, 1 Newton equal to 1 kg.
Sir,
Yes.
I have another class. I have to leave.
Okay, Sreshta. So when do you want the class? I think. Okay, so from the next time I will start.
Sir, gram per centimeter is called dyne.
Gram centimeter per second square is called dyne.
Okay, sir.
So you were saying something?
Okay, so from next time I will be starting class with at 5:20. I will talk to ma'am. I will start the class at 5:20. Okay.
It's 5:20 only, sir, the
Is it
class time.
possible? Sir, is it
Yes.
possible to start it at 5 o'clock? Because the class actually starts at 5:45. My other music class.
No, I think it won't be. You need to talk to ma'am. Please talk to Manisha ma'am. Okay. Regarding that, she'll be able to help you out.
Sir, like I
Sir.
will be coming from school at 4, sir.
Yeah, sir, same with me.
Sir, is it 10 time?
No, it's not 10. Then you try doing this. This is your homework.
Sir,
Okay.
1000 grams, 100 per second, sir.
How much?
1000 gram, 100 centimeters per second, sir.
Okay, so multiply that 1000 by 100 and see what do you get.
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
Yes. So answer is 1
1
lakh.
lakh dyne.
Yeah, 1 lakh dyne. 1 Newton is 1 lakh dyne, which you write here. You can write it as 10 to the power 5 dyne. So let's move further. Okay, one more thing now I'll be telling you with suffixes, which we generally use. Just 1 minute. Okay. So the next one is,
Sir, is there any possibility to forward this textbook in the WhatsApp, sir?
okay, I will try to upload it. Okay. But I don't
Okay.
think it's required. You will get puzzled up. There is a lot of content.
It's okay, sir. I just want to read through it.
Okay. I'll try. So you have a 1 Newton can be converted to dyne like this. In the same way, now I have some suffixes which you should be aware of. Sorry, not suffixes. We have some prefixes that are used.
Sir, I have
So
one more doubt. Is there exam this weekend for physics?
yeah, you have an exam this weekend, and that will be your subjective exam.
Yes, sir. What is it on?
Fiction.
It will be, I think this topic has been sent in the group.
Yes, sir, that is
Sir,
fiction.
subjective means MCQ.
Fiction. Yeah,
Subjective means you should write.
yeah, you need to write it on a paper, and before scanning, okay, or whenever you are scanning, first of all, write your name on the paper, and when you scan it, after scanning, save it by your name.
Okay.
Okay, save it by your name so
So
that
what
it's
is
easy.
prefixes?
whenever you are scanning your answer sheet, first of all, write your name on the answer sheet, and then after scanning, save it by your name and then upload.
Okay, sir.
So the prefixes, see, the prefixes are very useful and they are used a number of times. For example, we use the prefix kilo, and the prefix kilo stands for 10 to the power 3, which means 1000. Okay. So after kilo, you have the next prefix, that's mega, and mega is 10 to the power 6, which is 10 lakh. Mega is 10 lakh. Then you have,
Sir, mega is equal to a million.
yeah, this is a million. Then you have giga, which is 10 to the power 9.
Sir, aren't they
Next,
similar numbers with like the things that we use in our computer, sir? The storage in our computer?
yeah, they are similar to that.
Yes, sir.
So you have kilo, mega, giga, then you have tera. Okay. So tera is 10 to the power 12. So these are for the higher suffixes. For smaller suffixes or for smaller measurements, you have smaller suffixes. For example, suppose I'm talking of milli. So milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Then you have micro. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. Then you have nano.
Sir, so this is decreasing number, sir?
Yeah, this is decreasing number for smaller measurements. You have 10 to the power minus 9. Then still smaller you have pico. A pico is 10 to the power minus 12. Got it?
Yes.
So if I say something kilometer, so that means 10 to the power 3 times of meter. If I say megajoules, okay. So suppose I say that a power station produces 6 megajoule of energy. So 6 megajoule means I'll be using it as 6 multiplied 10 to the power 6 joule of energy. Okay. Then if I have
Sir, your voice is
some,
very
suppose a light has a wavelength of 450 nanometer. So 450 nanometer means 450 multiplied 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Got it, everyone? So you should be aware of all these fundamental prefixes. Wherever we use in the measurement, they will be utilized. Okay. You will have one chapter. So you will be using over there, if you find anywhere micro. So why do we call, can you expect what will be the size of the microorganisms?
10
Sir, we
power
can
minus
see
6.
10 to the power minus 6.
10 to
Yes,
the
the
power
size of the microorganisms will be 10 to the power minus 6. Got it? They are of the order 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay. So in this way, we measure all the lengths. Then not only lengths, even the masses can be measured in these forms by using the prefixes. So this was from units and measurements. So in units and measurements, what all things we have studied?
Sir, we knew what are all the fundamental quantities.
Yeah, we have studied about fundamental quantities and
Even-
fundamental.
Even we
Yes.
learned about the different types of systems, FPS,
Yes,
CPS,
yes.
SI.
Fundamental units and quantities.
We
You have
did learn
studied.
conversion, sir. Conversion.
Yeah.
There are quantities.
Okay. How many of you know to how many of you can convert the temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin?
Sir, degrees Celsius and degrees Kelvin have the same division, sir, but the degrees Kelvin starts from absolute zero, which is minus 268 or something Kelvin.
See, your 0 degree centigrade is equivalent to 273.15 Kelvin.
Minus or plus, sir?
0 degree centigrade
No, I'm talking about the Kelvin, sir.
plus. Your 0 degree centigrade is plus 273.15 Kelvin. So you can expect that 0 Kelvin would be equal to minus of 273.15 degrees centigrade.
Okay, so sir, zero of Kelvin is known as absolute zero, right, sir?
Yeah, 0 of Kelvin is the absolute zero, and no temperatures are possible below this. This is the minimum temperature possible in the universe.
Okay, sir.
You can't have anywhere, you can't have a temperature less than 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin is the minimum temperature that is possible.
Like it's the coldest
So you have,
temperature that could be.
yeah, that is the coldest temperature that can be possible. Still, practically, we haven't found anywhere negative 273.15 because it is observed that at this temperature, everything will stop. Even the
Yes.
molecules of gases will stop moving. They can't move.
Okay, sir.
So that is what we call as 0 Kelvin. So 0 Kelvin almost doesn't exist anywhere. So these are the things we have studied: fundamental quantities, fundamental units, derived units. We studied about the system of measurements.
Yes, sir.
And after the system of measurements, we have
Prefixes, sir.
which one?
Prefixes, sir.
Sir, yeah, prefixes.
And then we learn
Prefixes. And we have also learned how to conversion of units. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so bye everyone. In the next class, we'll be
Sir, 1
starting with
minute,
the
sir.
next topic.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, minus 27.3, that is 0.3, sir.
Minus 273.15.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so bye all of you. We'll see you again in next class.
That
Bye,
is
sir.
okay, sir. Or
Okay, sir.
0 K.
0 Kelvin.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.